All right, let's review today's assignment titled Python Turtle Choose Your Circles. Here's what your final program will look like when you are done. I'm going to click the Run button. Let's take a look at the bottom of the screen. It starts off by asking me, hey, what's your name? And I'll type in my name, and it thoughtfully uses my name in a sentence and asks how many circles I would like. I would like 3, please. I will press Enter. What size do I want the circles to be? Let's make them a 50 pixel radius and press enter. How thick do I want the line to be? 10 pixels. All right, now it's asking me to add in my line color. So I would like to have a red outline and a blue fill. All right, wait for it, here we go. 1, 2, 3 circles properly set with the colors as requested. So what's the plan here? Well, your mission is to write a program that does the very same thing. So start off by asking the person for their first name, use their name in a sentence, like, Rod, how many circles would you like? Ask the user how many circles they want, ask for a line color and a fill color and a line thickness, and make sure to lift the pen up between circles once they are being drawn. Now, you might say to yourself, well, how do I do all this? It's a great question. Here's some variables that will help you out. You're going to need something like a name variable for the person, the number variable for the number of circles they want, a fill variable for the fill color of the circle, a line variable for the line color of the circle, line size to show how thick the line will be. And remember that you're going to use int variables or integer variables to collect numbers that will be used for line size and the number of circles that you want. The other variables, name, fill, and line color or line, can be string variables. Now, some helpful hints. Use the variable numbers in your for loop to show how many times it will run. This will result in drawing the right number of circles. Number 2, ask all of your questions about fill color and line thickness and number of circles before you draw the circle. If you ask them for that information after you draw the circle, it won't know what to do. And inside of the for loop, set the pen color and fill colors. All right, now you might be saying I need some hints. I got you. So you will notice that there are links to video tutorials or sample code up above in the description. So use those to your advantage so you can get the answers that you need. Thanks for watching. Feel free to put any questions in the comments below, and have a great day.